Hey guys, Ryan from Subaru Puyallup. I see a lot of Subaru owners make some common mistakes. Today we're going to go over the top mistakes I see Subaru owners make. Kick us off with number one, we're going to talk about your tires on your brand new Subaru. When you have to replace them, make sure you get all the same brand and same tread. Having mismatched tread depth can actually mess up your transmission or your all-wheel drive system, and especially your rear differential. Another thing that people make the mistake of is replacing one might save you some money, but when you shave down that tire tread, it's just going to cost you more money in the future. Kicking us off with number two, a lot of people actually don't use one of the best features on their Subaru, X mode. It's not just for off-roading, it's actually good for snow, mud, gravel, and even boat ramps. If you have a small little boat going down, it's going to help reduce traction control and throttle response when you're going downhill and uphill. Try it out on older Foresters, Outbacks, even Crosstreks. Probably one of Subaru's best features ever built. Going back to your tires, we're going to talk about tire pressure or PSI. It's a good thing to double check this for safety reasons, that you don't have a blowout, especially when you're on the highway. But when you're hitting the trails, you also want to make sure you maximize performance. Make sure you have a good tire pressure and you'll be set on those trails. Those are just some of the common misconceptions that we get here at Subaru Puyallup. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.